to enable or disable 3GPP add comments on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search 3GPP add comments from here. Scroll down and search. So you will see 3GPP add comments is here. So if you want to enable 3GPP add comments, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see 3GPP add comments is enabled. So if you want to disable 3GPP add comments, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see 3GPP add comments is disabled. So you will enable or disable 3GPP add comments from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable 3GPP add comments on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.